My name is Ken Schultz, president of Shannon Construction, and today I'm going to talk about problem solving. So a few years ago, we did a project called Terminal 21, 220,000 square foot, 10-story building that was used as a college dormitory, and we turned it into 207 apartments over the course of about 2 years. Near the end of the project, we ran into a major problem. The gas line to the building had to be shut down because it was overpressure. Gas company shut us off. It's November. We're trying to do finishes on the project. How do we heat the building? We used 21 1,000 tankfuls of propane and several forced air heaters in the base of the stairwells, along with fans on the floors we were working on to distribute the heat to the rooms so that we could dry the drywall compound and paint the rooms throughout the winter without heat. Thank you.